Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of the best Craftsman LTX 1000 parts available on the market, the Deck Rebuild Kit. Whether you're a seasoned mower enthusiast or just looking to keep your lawn in top shape, this kit promises to upgrade your Craftsman 42-inch mower to peak performance. The Craftsman Deck Rebuild Kit is tailored for models like the LT1000 and LTX 1000, offering a complete overhaul solution. It includes essential components like 2 deck spindles, 2 21-inch mulching blades, 1 deck drive belt, and 2 spindle pulleys. Designed for durability and ease of installation, this kit is ideal for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. These are crucial for mounting the mower deck securely and ensuring smooth blade rotation. Designed to finely chop grass clippings for a cleaner cut and healthier lawn. A sturdy belt essential for transferring power from the mower's engine to the blades. Ensure proper tension and rotation speed, enhancing overall efficiency. Installing the kit is straightforward, thanks to its compatibility with Sears Craftsman models. Each component fits seamlessly, backed by user-friendly instructions that simplify the setup process. Users praise the kit for its robust construction, which withstands tough mowing conditions and ensures longevity. It's built to handle extensive use without compromising performance. To wrap it up, if you're looking to revamp your Craftsman 42-inch mower, the Deck Rebuild Kit is a standout choice. It combines ease of installation, durability, and affordability, making it the best option for Craftsman LTX 1000 owners. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more details and where to get yours. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more reviews on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more product reviews, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy mowing!